Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Today I'm making my all-time favorite soup from Panera, broccoli cheddar soup. So if you like that soup, you're gonna love this recipe. Cheers! I'm gonna start off by chopping the broccoli into smaller pieces, and I'm using about 24 ounces. Make sure you wash your broccoli. I'm gonna set my pot on medium heat, and I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, I'm gonna add half of a small white onion that I've chopped. And we fry for about 2 minutes. After that, we're gonna add 2 minced garlic cloves and continue frying for about another minute. It's been a minute, and I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix until well combined. Once it looks like this, we're gonna add in 2 cups of chicken broth. Now we mix until the flour is well dissolved. Once dissolved, here I have 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix well and add in 1 cup of shredded carrots. Once the carrots are mixed in, we're gonna add in the broccoli. Give it a mix. We lower the heat, cover it up, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, and we're gonna add 2 cups of half and half. Give it a mix, and we add in 3 cups of cheddar cheese. I use freshly grated cheese, and I recommend you use fresh because it melts better. And we continue mixing until the cheese is completely melted. Once it's all melted, we turn off the heat and it's ready to serve. Look at just how creamy this looks. My mouth is watering. And I like to also eat it with some sourdough bread. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. And like I mentioned before, I like to have this soup with French bread, sourdough bread. The one that I have right now, it was freshly baked this morning. Cheers! It's so good. Delicious. It's better than Panera. And it's been cold lately, so this soup is just perfect. If you guys like the broccoli cheddar soup at Panera's, you definitely need to make this one. You're gonna love it. And there you have it, delicious broccoli cheddar soup. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.